Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Marshall Minor 3 Bluetooth earbuds. If they're not connecting to your device, or if there's a problem with the sound, or maybe sound is only coming out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is, first of all, we want to put our earbuds in the case, and we can actually leave the case open for this. And then once they're in the case, in the proper side, we're just going to come in here and we are just going to press and hold this reset button on the bottom of the case. And we're going to hold it, and we're going to continue to hold it. And you'll see up here, this indicator light will be blue. And we're just going to continue to hold the earbuds, to hold the reset button, and just hold it until eventually this light will turn red. And once this light turns red, you can hold it for another couple seconds just to be safe. And then you can let go and it will be reset. So since it will be reset, it will also be erased from any paired devices, and you'll need to re-pair it to any devices that you want to use it on. But it will be reset. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.